Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create beautiful, clear, and interactive graphs in Smartsheet. Whether you need a bar chart, pie chart, or almost any other type of data visualization, by the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know how to add a chart to your Smartsheet dashboard, but you'll also feel confident customizing it to fit your project's needs. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to have your data ready. Maybe it's a list of sales figures, survey results, or any kind of numbers you want to visualize. Make sure your data sheet in Smartsheet is good to go with clean, organized columns and rows. Think of this like laying out all your ingredients before starting a recipe. Getting this set ahead of time will make the entire process smoother and you'll thank yourself later. Now from your main workspace in Smartsheet, look for the Add to Workspace button. Give that a click. This step is important because it's how we'll create a dashboard, a space where you can pull together charts, summaries, and other visual insights. Select Dashboard from the menu. Think of a dashboard as your project's control panel, where information comes to life and makes those raw numbers easy to understand at a glance. It may take a moment to spin up your new dashboard, so don't worry if you see a brief loading screen. Once the dashboard opens, your screen will display the widget panel on the right-hand side. Go ahead and find the option labeled Charts. Click it. Widgets in Smartsheet are like building blocks. You can add charts, data tables, images, and more all in one place. By choosing Charts, you're telling Smartsheet, hey, I want to see this data visually. Next up, it's time to actually choose the data you want your chart to show. Click Add Data. You'll see a menu where you can select the sheet or demo sheet that contains your numbers. Once you find your data table, highlight all the cells you want to include in your chart, rows and columns alike. Be sure to just highlight what you need. Too much and your chart might get cluttered. Too little and you might miss key insights. After highlighting, hit Add Data to confirm. Alright, with your data linked in, you'll now see a preview of your new chart. By default, Smartsheet might suggest a certain chart type, often a pie chart. You'll see the chart type drop-down here. If you want to keep it as a pie chart, great. Pie charts are awesome for showing proportions, like how individual salespeople contribute to a total sales goal. But if you'd rather see comparisons across categories, select Bar Chart. Bar charts are perfect for letting you stack up results side by side. Imagine comparing monthly spend, project statuses, or anything categorical. But you don't have to stop there. Maybe a line chart or column chart works better for your story. Scroll through the different chart types and see what looks best for your data. This is really your chance to let the numbers shine in the way that's most helpful for your audience. If you don't get it right the first time, don't worry. Smartsheet lets you switch chart types on the fly, so play around until it feels just right. Once you're happy with how your chart looks, glance over the settings one last time. Make sure everything's labeled clearly and that your chart tells the story you want. Then simply press Save. You'll now see your chart pop up on your dashboard, ready to share with your team or reference anytime. And that's it. Creating charts in Smartsheet is really about connecting your data to clear visuals that everyone can understand. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a like. And if you have any questions, like how to tweak your dashboard further or blend several data sources, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you want to see more easy how-tos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.